Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So we are into single entry or accounts from incomplete records. So first method what we have done is how to prepare single entry when incomplete information is given, how to prepare single entry. So there we have seen three types of preparation. One is statement of affairs, then statement of profit, then revised statement of affairs. So this we have discussed in the last class. Now today's class will see conversion method. Single entry to double entry. How to convert it? Yes, half information is given, incomplete information is given. That we can convert into double entry, means whatever is information is given, from that we are going to extract the needed information so that we can prepare double entry system. Confused? There are some information which is half only given. The rest of the half we are going to prepare. We are going to open few accounts and we are going to get the total information. Then we can prepare the normal accounts. For that what is needed is here, please remember, when we wanted to convert a conversion method, single entry to double entry, these are the accounts we need to open separately. Separately we need to open. Why we have to open these accounts? Let me explain very clearly. The first one is the debtors account. Debtors account we are going to open. Why we have to open the debtors account? To find out the credit sales. To know the credit sales. Why do we need credit sales? To write it in the trading account. Trading account credit side we write the sales. Sales means credit sales plus cash sales together. Any information related to the debtors, opening and closing balance of debtors are given, means you have to open the debtors account to know or to find out the credit sales. Second thing is that creditors account you are going to open. When opening and closing balances of creditors are given, we are going to open creditors account to know the credit purchases. To know the credit sales, debtors account. To know the credit purchases, creditors account. These two accounts we have to open. And third one, if at all any information related to the bills receivable, opening, closing and any other information related to the bills receivable is there, we are going to open this account also. Bills receivable account also we are going to open. What is the purpose? Means whatever balancing figure you are going to get in this account, that is to transfer to the debtors account. Bills receivable account will open, but balancing figure will be transferring to the debtors account. Bills receivable, debtors, both are connected, you know. So that is why we are going to open the bills receivable account if opening, closing bills receivable are given. Otherwise we are not going to open. Next one is that bills payable account also we are going to open. So why do we open? This is also same like bills receivable. If any kind of opening closing balance of bills payable is given, we are going to open, and the balancing figure of this bills payable account is going to transfer to the creditors account. Bills payable, creditors connected. Bills receivable, debtors connected. Are you getting it? Anyway, while working out the problems, you will come to know the clarity. Now remember only these things. And next one is that cash account also we have to open. Why to open the cash account? For balance sheet. In balance sheet always cash in hand will write, no? So related to the balance sheet, to write the cash in the balance sheet asset side, we are going to open the cash account. And any information related to the bank is there, then we are going to open the bank account also. Why do we open the bank account? For balance sheet. In balance sheet will write cash at bank, isn't it? What is the amount you are going to write? If anything is the information is there related to the bank, we'll open the account, and the closing balance we are going to write it into the balance sheet as asset. Cash in hand, cash at bank. We are going to get from the cash account and bank account. Am I clear? Next, statement of affairs also we are going to open. Statement of affairs of opening balances only, not closing balances. Generally, you will be given two kinds of assets and liabilities, opening assets, closing assets, right? So we are going to take only the opening one, statement of affairs we are going to prepare. So there you are going to get balancing figure, that is the opening capital. Opening capital you are going to get from the statement of affairs. With this opening capital only you are going to start the balance sheet, liability side capital. Balance sheet capital you will write it on the liability side, right? So what is that capital means? This one only. This is the capital we are going to write. So that is why we are opening the opening statement of affairs. From the opening statement of affairs we are going to get the opening capital. Am I clear? So these are the 7 accounts we need to open to convert single entry to the double entry. To make you understand a small problem I have taken in this class. See, this is the problem. From the following data, calculate total sales. Total sales made during the year 2020. We have to calculate the total sales. Sales, how do we get the sales? Sales are always related to the debtors, credit sales. Normal sales generally it will be given. Cash sales are given means you have to find out the credit sales. Both together only we will say sales, which will appear in the trading account credit side. Trading account credit side we write the sales now. That sales always includes cash sales and credit sales. Now we are opening this debtors account to find out the credit sales. How do we open? To open any kind of asset, any asset account, opening balance will be on the debit side. So while working out the problem I will explain. Stick is also not required. Yes, I will keep it aside. Yes. Now debtors account opening. Always will start with the opening balance. Asset account when we are opening balance will be on the debit side only. To balance brought down. To balance brought down. How much it is? 17,425. And closing balance will be credit side, asset account. If you are opening liabilities account, opening balance credit side, closing balance debit side. Please remember this, always useful for you. And okay, this is I have written. Closing balance later I will write. Cash received from debtors. We'll write it on the credit side because cash received from debtors. Cash account debtor to debtors account is the entry. Cash account debtor to debtors account. Debtors account is credited. So we are writing by cash account. Cash received from debtors 49,200. Next, sales returns. Sales will be always credit. Generally in trading account, trial balance if you see, sales will be on the credit side. Sales returns will be on the debit side. But when it comes to the creditors account, debtors account, it will be on the opposite side. Double entry system na? So sales returns will write it on the credit side. Sales returns are 3,700. Sales returns, trial balance debit side. Here it is credit side. Bad debts. Bad debts also trial balance which side? Debit side. Here credit side. By bad debts. 2,500. Bad debts are related to the debtors only. That is why I have taken here. Next one, discount. Discount also related to the debtors. How much discount is given? Discount is also debit side of trial balance. Here it comes on the credit side by discount. 1,800. Next, bills receivable. We are receiving bills from the debtors. So bills receivable account debtor to debtors account. Debtors account is here credited. So credit side will write by bills receivable. 5,000 it is. Next, cash sales. Cash sales we don't write it in the debtors account. Debtors account we are opening to find out the credit sales. Cash sales are useful when we have to calculate the total sales. Okay. So keep it separately. This we are not going to write it in the debtors account. Debtors account started with the opening balance. We'll close it with the ending balance. Closing balance is here 15,300. By balance carried down. By balance carried on 15,300. Will total up so that you will get the credit sales. Always remember, whenever you open the debtors account, credit side will be more, debit side will be less. So the difference is here, we'll say it as a sales. In brackets you can say credit sales. This is balancing figure. So debit side 49,200 plus 3,700 plus 2,500, 1,800 and 20,300. 77,500. 77,500 minus 17,425. It is 60,075 rupees. 60,075 rupees. 60,075 rupees is the credit sales balancing figure. From 77,500, if we deduct opening balance of debtors, you are getting 60,075 rupees. This is credit sales. What they are asking? Total sales. Now you can write here total sales is equal to cash sales 12,000. You can write it in brackets cash sales plus credit sales 60,075. This is credit sales. So this is 12,000 plus 60,725. It means 72,075 rupees is the total sales. Can you see the board? 72,075 rupees. Now the total is here. Total sales are 72,75. Like this you have to show. Am I clear? First take a screenshot, then I'll give you a recap. Screenshot or pause the video and note down. Now let me give you a recap. Conversion method means single entry to double entry we wanted to convert. Only few information is given, rest of the information we have to gather. To gather the rest of the information, we have to open all these accounts as per the information given. One is debtors account to know the credit sales, creditors account to know the credit purchases, bills receivable account. This is to transfer into the debtors account if information is given, otherwise we can ignore it. In the same way bills payable also to transfer to the creditors account, and cash account for the balance sheet, bank account also for balance sheet, and statement of affairs. So to know the opening capital, okay, opening capital purpose will be opening statement of affairs. Now related to this debtors account, how do we open? A small problem I have taken. What is the information given? Some information is related to the debtors only, asking us to calculate the total sales. We open first debtors account to find out the credit sales. Always remember debtors account will start with opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. In between whatever we have, everything almost it comes on the credit side only. What is given? Cash received from debtors 49,200, it is here. Sales returns 3,700, bad debts 2,500, discounts 1,800, bills receivable 5,000. Total is 77,500. 77,500 minus 17,425, we got sales, credit sales of 60,075. We need total sales. To know the total sales, cash sales 12,000 plus credit sales 60,075. Together if we add, we are getting 72,075. That's all. Hope I am clear. In the next class, we'll work out one more problem related to the accounts, how do we open the account, so that you'll have more clarity. By the way, hope you are sharing these videos with other students also. Hope you are sharing. Sharing is caring, right? So please do share. With lot of efforts and time and energy, I'm preparing these videos. And use the playlist according to your syllabus. Whatever is required, you can use the playlist, open it, and what is required, use it, and practice well, revise well. Have a bright career. Good luck.